Greetings from Test Prep Card. Today we are going to talk about something which is very important yet less addressed. That is called filling up the OMR sheet, which is the part of the process when you transfer your answer from the question booklet to the answer sheet. So we are going to discuss all these things because this is very important. It reflects your total score whether for SAT or SAT. First of all, we are going to have a look at the answer sheet for SAT 1 or SAT General. It's a 5-page booklet. You first need to enter your test number, and then you have section 1. You will have 4 choices. It means against each question there are 4 answer choices. So on first page you shall be finding that there are 52 choices. On second page you shall be finding, which is the section 2, that there are 44 answer choices. On third page, which is section 3, you shall be finding that in first part, in section 3, there are 1 to 15 answer choices, and for 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, these are subjective type of question against which you have to write your answer. Remember that in this section, only answers that are graded will be scored. Remember, you will not receive any credit for anything written in the boxes. Let's flip to section 4. In section 4, on first page, there are 30 answer choices, question number 1 to 30. And then go to the last page, which is in continuation to the section 4. You will have again 8 questions, right? And just like section 3, here in this section as well, only answers that are graded will be scored. You will not receive any credit for anything written in the boxes. That's it. So this is all about the answer sheet for SAT 1. Now we are going to have a look how does the SAT subject test answer sheet look like. On the first page, you first have to write your name, I mean to say your last name, your first name and your middle name. Then you have to put your signature. Remember, it has to be authentic. You have also to mention the test date, which is in the format of MM, ED, YY, your home address, your home phone, the test center, I mean the state, country, each and everything. Then you also fill up your name once again, your date of birth, the gender, the registration number, the zip code or area key, these two are same. The test center, then the book code which will be written on the question booklet, the book ID also, and the test book serial number. Right. Now, once you go to the second page, you have a choice of 100 answers, right? Once again, on this page, you need to fill up your book code, your book ID, and test book serial number. Remember, while attempting the chemistry section relationship type question, these are 101 to 115 at the bottom of the test book. I mean to say, for 3 subjects, you shall be given 3 answer sheets. After discussing the format of the answer sheet, let's have a look as how you should transfer your answers from question booklet to the answer sheet. Why I am saying this? Because we did a small survey among the students who write SAT test. What we found that most of the students, they do questions first to last. Here in this, mainly they concentrate on the questions, but when the time comes, they have to put their answer on the OMR sheet. Here, they have less time. Now, the second category of students, they do one question and they transfer the answer to the answer sheet. They darken the order. Now, there are some students, what they do, that they do the questions which are given on the entire page and then they transfer the answer to the OMR sheet. Now, the problem with the first and second category student is that there are mainly 2 things. First, it interrupts their flows, and second, there is too much, they spend too much of time in flipping, back and forth between the test booklet and the answer sheet. The third method is the best. I mean to say, you do all the questions on the question booklet on an entire page and then transfer it to the answer sheet. This saves your time and you are also able to answer all the questions in depth. Now, I would like to request you to all those whosoever are venturing into SAT 1 or SAT 2, they should subscribe to this channel in order to keep themselves updated with all the information. Thank you.